Okay, this one says 3x, the absolute value of 3x plus 1 is less than 8. So in order to drop my absolute values, we need to go 3x plus 1 is less than 8. Now, we're also going to have 3x plus 1. Now, remember to flip your sign on this next guy, negative 8. Now, if you remember, we're talking about the distance needs to be less than 8. So if it was just x, the absolute value of x is less than 8, that means what values have a distance less than 8? Which means this guy is not less than, so this guy would be a circle, this guy would be a circle. And all the distances less than are going to be the guys inside, which means this is going to be an AND statement. Okay. So now we just solve. 3x is less than, okay, so minus 1, 7. So x is less than 7/3. And subtract 1, so 3x is greater than 9, negative 9. So x is greater than negative 3. So if we want to graph that on a number line, we're going to end up having 1/7, which is going to be about 7/3, which is going to be 2 and 1/3, which is going to be about right there. And then we have negative 3, which is going to be about right here. Now, if we want to shade this, it's an AND statement, which means it's going to be the stuff in between. So it's that stuff right there. So if I want to say this in interval notation, we're going to start at negative 3, and we're going to go to 7/3. And we're not going to include either one of those, so it's going to be both parentheses. If you want to put it in set notation, it's a set of all x's, such that x is in between negative 3 and 7/3.